guys, I welcome you back once again to this wonderful channel, Plain English Coding, where we break down complex coding terms into the simplest form for you guys. Today we are moving to another interesting topic, which is called the basic HTML structure. Without wasting much of our time, let us jump right into the tutorial. Name is Olutunde. Now we are looking at basic HTML page structure. So now there are some components that are in the HTML page. So we are going to be looking at this component one after the other. Now I want to explain all of these things so that by the time we start coding, you will understand it proper. Now the first one is the doc type. The doc type HTML. It tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. So now the next one is the opening tag HTML and the closing tag HTML. It wraps the whole page up. You find it at the top and at the bottom, so it wraps the whole page up. The next one that you'll be seeing is the head, which is the opening tag head and the closing tag head. So this one contains the title and the settings, but mind you, this any thing you put inside the head is not visible on the page, so you can't find it on the page. Then the next one is the body, the opening tag and the closing tag. So this one contains everything, you know, inside the web page, but this is visible. You can see these are what you see inside the web page, the wordings and all of that. The next one, another important component, is the heading. The H1, you know, is the largest heading. H2 follows H3, you know, in steps like that. So the biggest heading is the H1. The one that follow is H2. The next one H3, like that. Then you have this the paragraph. The paragraph is you know when you have your web page, everything should be organized with the headings, with the paragraph, to make everything look neat. This is what is behind your web page, and that is how it works. Those are the basic components you need to know in the basic HTML structure. Now let us go into Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, we are in index.html. This is the environment, the text editor that allows us to write our coding. Now we are going to start writing our basic HTML page structure by declaring the document first. So you write the doc type. That doc type should be in capital letter. Doc type, then HTML, then you close it. So now the next one you're going to write is HTML that wraps the whole page up, just like what I explained the other time. Then let me cancel this. So now you write your HTML, the opening tag of your HTML, the closing tag. Now this wraps the whole page up. The next thing you're going to write is the head. The head, let's move on. You write the head, the opening tag for the head. Then there you go. You know, you have the closing tag of the head. So inside the head, what are you going to write there? Inside the head, you have your title. You have your title inside the head. So let's put the title. Then title, then that's the closing tag for the title. It automatically shows itself. Then let's write the title of this particular web page. I'll write my first web page. Yeah, my first web page. Now I told you earlier that anything you have inside the head is not visible on your web page. Now let us move to the next one, which is the body. The body, yeah, the body. Yeah, this is the opening tag and that's the closing tag. Inside the body, those are the things you find on your web page. They are the things that are visible on the web page, and the first thing that we're going to write is the paragraph. Now let's write the paragraph. H1, which is the largest paragraph, H1, then automatically H1, automatically it gives you the, let me cancel this, it gives you the closing tag. Then inside the paragraph, I'm going to put hello world. No, inside the heading, I'm going to put hello world. That's heading, not paragraph. Hello world. That's the heading, not paragraph. Then after that, you're going to write the paragraph. The paragraph is next, which is P, opening tag. Then that's the closing tag over there. Then inside that paragraph, let me write, this is my first HTML page. HTML page, yeah, great. So now we have written that. That is the structure. This is the basic HTML structure. You have the doc type, which tells the browser that this is HTML5 document. You have this HTML closing and opening and closing tag, which wraps up the whole page. You have the heading, which I told you, which is a title, my first web page, is not visible on the web page. The body is visible on the web page. The essence of this is what you find behind your web page. This is what you find behind it. But when we launch it, it will look different. Let me go live. Now if you want to go live, go down here, you see go live under your Visual Studio Code. If you click this, it will show you the web page, how it looks like. Look at it. Hello world, this is my first HTML page, just like what now. This is the heading that you cannot find in the web. This is where you're going to find my first web page. Here my first web page. And I told you that whatever you have inside your head is not visible on the web page itself, but you see, we can't find it there. So this is just the basic HTML. By the next class, we'll move to some other complex ones. So I just want to give you a brief explanation of what the HTML structure looks like. If you find value in this video, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with your friends so that it will encourage me to do more videos. Thank you for being part of this. See you in the next one.